How to fix Telegram not showing messages on chats. Missing messages in Telegram chat. Here's how to fix it. First, ensure you have an active internet connection because without it, messages won't sync. Check if the chat is muted or archived. Sometimes muted chats stop notifications, but messages should still appear. Try pulling down the chat screen to manually refresh message syncing. Clear cache to remove any corrupted files that might block messages from showing. You can clear it from your mobile setting. Check your chat history settings. If set to limit message storage, older messages might be hidden. Go to chat settings and set history to forever to keep all messages visible. If messages still don't show, try reinstalling Telegram to fix any app label box. Regularly back up your chats or export important conversations so you never lose important messages. Lost important messages before? Let me know about it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.